Hello, and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we'll talk about companies. So let's get started. The question that could be asked is it difficult to get a promotion at a large company? You could say climbing the corporate ladder in a big company can be challenging. Or securing promotion within a large company often presents formidable challenges. What is the difference between big companies and small companies? The scale and resources are larger in big companies compared to small ones. Or, big companies distinguish themselves from smaller counterparts through expansive scale and resource allocation. Are there many big companies in your country? Yes, there are several large companies operating in my country. Or, my country hosts a considerable number of large corporations within its borders. What are the good things about working for a big company? Working for a big company can offer better benefits and growth opportunities. Or employment in a large corporation comes with advantages like enhanced benefits and avenues for career progression. How can a small company grow big? Small companies can expand through innovation and strategic partnerships. Or the growth trajectory of small enterprises hinges on innovation and forging strategic alliances. Should big companies be punished more seriously than small companies? The severity of punishment should depend on the nature of the offence, regardless of the company's size. Or the punitive measures imposed on companies should be proportionate to the gravity of the transgressions, irrespective of their scale. What help do young employees get from old employees? Elder employees frequently extend mentorship and guidance to their junior counterparts in the workforce. Seasoned employees often provide guidance and mentorship to younger colleagues. Okay, that's all the questions. Next up is our reading passage. Let's have a look and see if we can give you any insight into the topic at hand. In the contemporary professional landscape, individuals often find themselves at crossroads when deciding between working for a large corporation or a smaller enterprise. Large corporations, with their considerable workforce and substantial resources, wield a significant influence in various sectors. The capacity to offer comprehensive employee benefits, well-structured career paths, and diverse opportunities for growth sets them apart. These giants often command a global presence, providing employees with exposure to international markets and cross-cultural experiences. On the other hand, small companies epitomize innovation, agility, and adaptability. Their compact size fosters a close-knit work environment, enabling employees to collaborate closely and contribute directly to the company's success. While the resources may be limited, the potential to carve a niche in the market and rapidly implement innovative ideas is a distinct advantage. Deciding between big and small companies requires careful consideration of personal preferences and career goals. Working for a large corporation can offer stability, comprehensive benefits, and established career progressions, making it attractive for those seeking a structured environment. On the contrary, individuals drawn to innovation, a dynamic atmosphere, and the opportunity to wear multiple hats may find smaller companies more appealing. Partnerships, acquisition, and targeted expansion efforts can lead them towards achieving significant growth while maintaining their distinct identity. Small companies aspiring to become larger entities often embark on a journey fueled by innovation and strategic decisions. Leveraging their agility, they can identify and capitalize on market gaps. The debate surrounding the severity of punishment for companies based on size raises ethical considerations. Advocates argue that justice should be applied to company scale, with penalties commensurate to the offences committed. The equitable treatment of all companies, regardless of size, ensures a level playing field and promotes ethical business practices. This intergenerational collaboration fosters knowledge transfer, skill development, and harmonious work environment, where diverse perspectives emerge. In the workplace that spans generations, young employees often find mentorship and guidance from seasoned professionals. The choice between big corporations and small enterprises is a reflection of one's values, aspirations, and professional preferences. Each offers unique advantages and challenges. catering to a diverse range of talents and ambitions. Understanding these distinctions empowers individuals to make informed decisions that align with their career journey. Okay, I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of vocab illustrations. Take a look. Professional landscape, crossroads, distinctions, advantages, challenges, considerations, workforce, substantial resources, comprehensive, exposure. And lastly, we have our paraphrasing exercises. Have a go at putting some of these into your own words at home. Is it difficult to get a promotion at a large company? Getting a promotion within a sizable corporation, is it a challenging task? Within larger corporate settings, is it a demanding endeavor to secure a promotion? Some paraphrasing statements. Instead of saying working in a large company might require different skills compared to working in a small company, you could say the skill set needed for employment in a sizable corporation can vary from that required in a small enterprise. And lastly, our descriptions, which you're on your own for. As always, thank you for listening. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.